Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll guide you through CrownCAD's interface to help you become comfortable with the software environment quickly. Launch your web browser. Visit www.CrownCAD.com. That's CrownCAD's official website. Then click Sign In to log in or register. Existing users can log in directly. New users click on the red box to sign up. Fill in the registration information on the registration page as prompted. Check the user protocol and click the Sign Up button. After a successful registration prompt, you will automatically be redirected to the software interface. The project management interface mainly includes Create menu, Project types, Project list, Create menu, New project command, to create projects that need to be carried out. New folder command, to create folders for classified project management. Import command, to import local files created by other software. Import command demonstration, click the import command. Support for importing multiple formats, click upload to choose the model that needs to be imported. Real-time, display of file upload and file conversion progress. Display the file conversion success message and open the imported document. Click the CrownCAD icon to go to the main software interface. At this point, the recent document list appears, showing files that have been opened recently. My projects, including all the projects I manage. Shared, projects shared with me by other users. Public, including all projects set to public by users on the network. Right-click, click to choose Open. Copy to local operations. Trash, including projects and files deleted recently. Right-click to restore or permanently delete files deleted recently. Creating a new project is the first step in drawing models. Projects support creating parts, assemblies, drawings, folders. Here, you can view the document type. Click the icon or name to open the document. The part interface mainly includes the toolbar, View toolbar, Feature panel, Document list, and so on. The toolbar needs to switch to different functional modules through tags to call the corresponding module commands. Feature panel, manage the features of the construction module. View toolbar, you can switch display modes in the view toolbar, perform section views, and so on. Document list, you can view or open files within the current project here. Material repository, the system has built-in commonly used materials, including material property information. Attribute panel, the system supports setting attributes for parts, version and branch, records modeling operation history, and creates version no branches. Sharing function, you can set permissions for the model and share it with other users. You can change sharing permissions or revoke sharing at any time. Click the New command to select New Assembly to enter the assembly module. The assembly interface mainly includes toolbar, View toolbar, Assembly panel, Document list, and so on. Inserting parts and assemblies is the first step in assembly design. Select the Insert Part or Assembly command to add parts. Feed command, assemble parts together through fitting. This completes a simple assembly. At this point, the Feature panel will display the added constraints and features. Document list, right-click to move, rename, and so on files. Select Generate Drawing to enter the drawing module. The drawing interface includes toolbar, View toolbar, View panel, View palette, and so on. Toolbar, you can choose the corresponding command to generate views, add dimensions, annotations, and so on. Select the standard 3-view command to create a main view. Left view, top view, select the intelligent dimension command to dimension the views. After the drawing is completed, you can print or output PDF format files through the print command. Multiple users can open a file at the same time. Collaborating real-time, carry out collaborative review and collaborative design. Click the question mark icon in the navigation bar to view the tutorial and help manual. Click the top right corner to choose Feedback. Select the corresponding module, and you can give feedback. We will reinvestigate your suggestions for improvement. That concludes CrownCAD interface overview now. Visit www.CROWNCAD.com to begin your design journey.